GATE 2024, question number 11. Okay, this is reading and comprehension XHB1. That's the first part of the GATE examination. Amma's tone in the context of the given passage is that of. So let's take a look at the passage. For Amma, the difference between men and women was kind of discrimination and inequality. She felt strongly about women's rights but was not familiar with concepts like gender and patriarchy. She would have dismissed Betty Friedan because she was predominantly dealing with the problems of white middle class women in the United States. Amma and women of her generation could de-link the oppression of women from the wider struggle for the liberation of human beings from class exploitation and imperialism. So Amma continued to play her role as a mother and wife, but would often complain, I'm a doormat on which everyone wipes their emotional dirt off. So she is in a state of protest. Okay. It's not a compromise. It's not contentment at all. And it's not resignation either. Right. She is playing her part in the struggle. So it's a tone of protest. Answer here is B. IIT GATE 2024, question number 12. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct sequence for the following passage. I'm wearing for the first time some dash that I have never been able to wear for a long time, as they are horribly tight. So it's not one, it's multiple. So it's definitely shoes. Okay. I usually put them on just before giving a lecture. The painful pressure they exert on my feet goads my oratical capacities to their utmost. This sharp and overwhelming pain makes me sing like a nightingale or like one of those Neapolitan singers who also wear dash that are too tight. Bands that are okay. The visceral physical longing, the overwhelming torture provoked by my dash forces me to extract from words distilled. It has to be C. So the overwhelming torture provoked by my patent leather shoes. How can it be from patent leather shoes to patent leather bands? Forces me to extract from words distilled and sublime truths, generalized by the supreme inquisition of the pain. My dash suffer, my feet suffering. So if it is patent leather shoes, then it is patent leather shoes and feet. Can't just change in the middle. So answer here is C. GATE 2024, question number 13. The appropriate synonym for ignite. So, where is ignite? Spirituality must be integrated with education, self realization is the focus. Each one of us must become aware of our higher self. We are links of a great past to a grand future. We should ignite our dormant inner energy and let it guide our lives. We should ignite it. So, it's a sort of encouragement. It's encourage here. So if you take a look at it, it should be encourage. That's option A. In the passage, the word ignite basically is referring to awakening or stimulating the inner energy. So the closest synonym is encourage, right? So that's option A here. GATE 2024, question number 14. Which of the following sentences is punctuated correctly? One day I'll write a book. Where is the inverted commas? One day I'll write a book. I said, not just a thriller, but a real book. This seems to be fine. One day I'll write a book. I said, full stop. You're not ending the sentence. One day I'll write a book. I said, not just again, punctuation is missing there. So answer here is B, Bombay. GATE 2024, question number 15. Fill in the blanks with the correct combination of tenses for the given sentence. Darwin's work had, not have, has a related effect that dash influenced. It's in the past. So it had a related effect that has influenced the development of environmental politics, a decentering of the has, correct. Had and then have influenced is not. Has a related effect that had influenced. No, it's had and has. It can be has and had also, but there's no option like that. So here, option C is the best. Darwin's work had a related effect that has influenced the development of environmental politics, a decentering of human being. Okay. So if the combination of had refers to the past effect of Darwin's work, while has indicates the ongoing influence on environmental politics. Hence, it is had and has. Okay, right? So that's option C.